Yeah, hi, good afternoon. Welcome to the live trade. You are with Trading Community Zone. This is our overall trade today. There is no profit. We are exited with no profit loss zone. Morning we have taken a put call. There we made some arrangements and we booked a loss there. And then in call delivery we did a multiple position and we have ended with a positive note. And overall we exited with no profit loss. So no profit loss is not important here. This year we are doing only purely scalping. For investment, we are having some other accounts that we do investments. We buy stocks, we buy mutual funds. This is only for scalping and to make high profits. So your risk reward should be 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3. So that is important here. Scalping is a game of probability. So don't go with the profit or loss. You should go with the probability of win loss. How many uh, game you have won and how many game you lost. That is very important. So before taking any trade, we do a view. We don't go randomly. I will tell you how we are taken the call. So overall market is usually it's live running. Overall today market opened up gap up. So there is no clarity in that, but still we have to participate because we are a scalper. 30 to 50 and that will make impact you in the market. So first we have taken put. I will show you the details. Put option. Morning we taken the trade 10 o'clock and we exited 10:18. So again I'm saying, see 27 Jan 25,750 put. You should maintain your SL. You should maintain your target. Very important when you do a option trade. So I will tell you now what is the view here. Close this. Okay. So if you see here, actually I have used super trend. I will also remove this indicator. Now this is and then just I'll add. Ideally, our position is here, the first one, 134. That is on 16th Jan. There we made already made a profit. Now, today there is a gap up. So when there is a gap up, you should be very cautious. Because as a scalper, you are going to take 30 to 50 points. We are waiting for this gap up, so we will not enter immediately because there is a big candle here. So there is a chances many retail people today is Monday morning, you will be so excited to enter the market. So if you enter here, it can chances be there that it will wipe out. The stop loss can be hit. So we have waited for pattern to be formed. So this year we have seen a flag type pattern, exactly 9:55, and there is a breakout of 10 o'clock. So if you see, you should have a clear thought what are you doing. Otherwise, you cannot win here. So if you see details, 10 exactly this after this 10 o'clock we have seen here, and you have to take the call. See, you can't be afraid or you have any bias. Once you understand the thing, you have to see. Now it has gone like this, otherwise it may go like this. The problem of why it has come down is this is already given a big rally. That's why it has moved down. That is okay. And we have kept stop loss here because we know that if this is got hit, then it will again go. So this got hit, then again it has moved up. So there is a volatility and this is an upper zone. When you play with the upper zone, you should be very careful because this will act like that only. So here we booked our SL. So you see 260, 281 and 265. And we booked a loss of 1053. Now coming to 25,750 call. We had a gut feeling stating that. So see, if you see 25,750, this is a negative trend. So when a negative trend, see what we did is we are reducing the lot size, but because once you don't have a clear trend, but still you want to participate in the market and have a make a quick scalping, do a quick scalping, you should know what market is behaving. So we understand that there is a consolidation happening here. And we are waiting for this breakout. We know that here the sellers are sitting, so it will go hit here. And that was my thought process. But here it was taking time. So I will tell you, see, whenever it goes here, it will come with your stop loss. Whenever it goes, so it's a consolidation zone, and if you go and take in consolidation zone, it will maximum hit your stop loss. So actually, we are hitting this. Then when I got a confident here, I have just my boss. That was a final boss. So you should know how many calls you have to take. You should know that today you can, if you are profitable in first call, if you are profitable in first trade, you are profitable, you are out of the game. If in the first call, if you are having a loss, then you can go for another one or two, and then you should close your system. That is your deal. So I avoided it is now I will show you the trade. This is call. See how many trades are say I've taken three to see. First morning 10:15, SL got hit 87, 81 because because you are taking against the trend. Negative super trend is showing negative. I'm going for one lot only 87. I was confident 81. It has moved up because it has not hit the target. So I have also kept the target 30 points. It has not hit and it has moved to 81. Again I hit because again it is giving me the zone of the 84. Again 74. See the points, 3, 4 points only because I will not, I know my risk appetite and I will make profit somewhere in my stock basket. So I know the thing. 87 I purchased, bought. Then when I was confident, I started purchasing. See 87, 1252 and 108 to 109. I will tell you how. So when I'm confident, I have increased the sizes. The lot increases the size lot, and now I will tell you. So which time we have seen 108. So how I have taken this 108, 84. See again consider because see, if you see the entire this consolidation is happening, but since this is a volatile and it is trend is not with you, it will hit yourself. But finally, when we observe, okay, we got the candle. If you see the candle formation 1252, 11:38, 12:52. I'll show you. This is the candle. So that is why I am saying reading of candles we have already posted in YouTube. Please read. If you are not able to know the psychology of the candle, if you are not able to read of the candle, you can't make profit. So here we understand that here this zone has become weak and this candle is a trigger candle for me with a stop loss of 76. We just moved 2, 3 points down here. And we know that here the sellers are sitting at the point of 108, 110. Initially, I made 152, but then I shifted to 110 because already it is after 12 o'clock, after 12 to 30, institution participation will be there. We don't know it will be more volatile, and your chances of S&P gain. So it's a volatile market, so we should be very quick. So what I did is, and please understand, if in your first trade, if you're profitable, I will tell you there are a lot of psychologists here. It's a game of probability and psychology. In the first trade, if you are profit, you got your daily 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore. You're over. So here money doesn't matter or profit doesn't matter. It is the psychology and the long you play in this market that matters. Capital protection matters. So if your profit for the day, if you earn, if suppose for me 5,000, 10,000 is enough for me. For me, some days 2,000, 3,000 is enough for me. I am out of the game. Again, I will not try. Suppose I made a loss of 1,000, 2,000 rupees, I will go for one or two lot again. Maximum, I will go for 3, 4 lots, 5 lots. And still, if I am in loss, I will close the system. The day is not yours. And another thing is, if you are loss of 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees in the earlier strike, and now in the new strike, you made a profit of 1,000. So you already got a 30 point. If you got 30 points, 50 points target, don't see that earlier 2,000 there was a loss, so don't wait for 2,000 rupees. You have to immediately, you have to understand 2,000 rupees. Now you made it in this strike fresh, you made 1,000 rupees, so there will be a total of overall loss of 1,000 rupees. Just Either trail your stop loss or quit. Because what will happen here also if you strike, because there's a scalping you're doing, and it's a game of probability. If again it's getting reversed or your SL is getting hitting, so you'll be have more losses. So these are psychology. You should understand the candle. You should read the candle, psychology of the candle. So many things in the market. If you want to win this game, if you want to make the profits, you have to be patient enough. You should be there in the market for. We should participate in bearish and in bullish. So this is the overall trade today. I just because of the learning purpose, I want to tell you, you should know how to enter, where to enter, what should be a stop loss, what is your psychology when you enter, why you are entering, and what is your target, what is the SL. You should have a clear view. Without view, if you just enter, you will definitely never make money. So this series is all for education purposes. Live trade, we don't want to show what we have made profit or loss or what is here. Live market, what we have to show is that what is our view. Today we can make and tomorrow we can make 10,000, 10 lakh, 1 crore. That is not important. Why you are entering, what is your view, and what is the probability of your winning. That is very important. I think again, the market is consolidating now again, so there is no clear direction. So overall, we exited, no profit, no loss from today. Thanks for watching. Thank you.